Hello, my crafty friends. It's Jelly Bean. Good morning. It is Sunday, January 19th. And today I have come to, I don't know what you would really call it, but I want to make y'all aware or draw your attention to something and kind of ask a favor for a friend at the same time. And I know right off the bat from things that have happened in the past, you're probably going, yeah, what now? But I can't imagine anyone not knowing who Elisha is. Elisha, previously known as Wagman 510, is now Elisha's Crafty Hoplop. She's done a name change, which I'm pretty fond of since I helped her choose it. But I can't imagine anyone not knowing her at this point. But if you don't, I'm gonna put her channel in the description box. Y'all go check her out. And what I would like to draw y'all's attention to is Elisha is one of the most giving, loving, generous people I know. And she has blessed so many of us. And then after blessing everyone, she started We Wishes and Weighty Wants on her channel. And every month she's doing granting wishes for people and giving others the opportunity to grant wishes and make wishes and everything on her channel. Well, not only is she doing it, but now she has others sending her huge boxes of stuff to send out for wishes. And while Elisha could have went, you know, I really like this stuff, or I need one of those, she doesn't do that. She takes the box out and shows us and goes, okay, y'all, go wish for more because I got more stuff. And she shows us a little bit so we know kind of the generalized, idea of what to wish for. And then she goes and she ships everything out to everybody. Well, I don't think Elisha initially anticipated the response she was going to have to this. With that being said, I think y'all know how much shipping is now. And Elisha has been sending out many, many boxes. And she set a budget, which I have to do that myself to set a budget for shipping each month. Being on a fixed income, mine is not that much, so sometimes that's why I can't ship everything out. But Elisha has took on this responsibility, and I think, it shouldn't just be her responsibility to pay for all the shipping for all the We Wishes and Weighty Wants that are going out. And, she doesn't just send a card-size envelope with a stamp on it. You usually get a stuffed, bigger envelope, the priority envelope, or a box. So shipping is not cheap for her. And just so she, Elisha gets so much joy out of this. And I know that's why she does it, because she enjoys making people happy. When I was having the really, really bad back issues before they started me on a new medicine, and I was anticipating surgery even before Christmas, thinking about it, Elisha was sending little things in the mail. I mean, she would order a couple dies from Allie and send them and all. And I know part of those were for the challenge thing that I won with the name change and all that. And part of it was for our swap that we're doing. But she always seems to have a knack for sending things just at the right time when you need a pick-me-up, you know? And then she always sends just the right things that we need or wanted. So I don't know exactly how to go about doing this, so I'm asking y'all, how can we do a shipping fund for the We Wishes and Weighty Wants so it won't be all on Elisha to send out? I don't really think a GoFundMe is the way to do it with the charges they do. And, you know, maybe we can just stick a few dollars in an envelope and send it to her, or PayPal it to her or something like that. But, you know, she mentioned in one of her videos that she had to get her husband to help her with it because she gets so much joy out of it. She can't wait to send them out until she gets to her next budget cycle. So she asked her husband to help her with the money to do the wishes. So I think it's only fair that somehow, some way, we help her with that, because I know it would benefit everyone. So if anyone has any ideas how we can do that and help her out, I think, you know, Elisha always does the We Wishes and Weighty Wants and doesn't ask for anything herself. She always goes, oh, I'm giving my wishes to so-and-so. And, you know, she doesn't ask for hardly anything. You know, she may mention she's out of something or didn't have a lot of this, but Elisha never asks, but she always gives. And we are a giving, loving community of crafters, and I think it's our turn to give Elisha some wishes, because I know she wishes she could send out more. So y'all leave me your thoughts below. Let me know what you think, how we can help her do that. I know we can all pull together and figure out something. Even if we sent prepaid labels to her for our wishes, you know, if she sent us an email and go, okay, I got your wishes ready, this is how much it weighs, this is how much it's going to be to ship, and we just pay for the shipping. I don't know, but I kind of feel like we need to do something to help her, and I'm asking y'all to help me figure this out. So tell me what you think, leave me a comment below, or you can email me. I'll put my email below in the description box. Go check out Elisha's channel. I guarantee you, you watch 1 or 2 videos and you will subscribe. She is a beautiful, wonderful, kind, giving, generous person. So, y'all check her out. Y'all tell me what you think. And I'll see you real soon. Y'all have a crafty day. I'll be back real soon. Bye for now.